Guys, this is some serious stuff to vlog about. We just found you have your own cookies.
Oh, that's alright because they're good shit.
Oh.
That way they're not all open.
Okay. Well, so they are plain cookies. See, and they're cinnamon, but look, literally they're plain cookies. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest cookie ever. So I'm gonna eat it. They are cinnamon flavored. Tastes like those Scooby snacks, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like those. Wow, okay. Look, I've got a whole bag full of tiny planes. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I ordered a water. So, I knew it! I knew it. Okay, can you get the snacks now? Because, okay, and the seatbelt sign is off. So, we are going to, we're getting to Baltimore in about 2 hours. And then, I'm guessing we'll have like 1 hour at the airport, probably. Oh, 2.5 or 2.5 hours, so like one. What? So we've only got 1 hour to go.
What's that?
We've only got 1 hour to go. Oh, didn't know that, but oh, wow, guys, this is so exciting.
I'm sorry, sir, you can't get off here.
But close it, please. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just thrilled right now because I love these cookies. Okay, I love them. Love them. And you can just, I mean, they're bite-sized, but, so good. But I don't want these right now. I want some Pockies. Yeah. And they have my drink order, so they should be getting that out pretty soon. I think she's in the back getting all the drink orders. And I wish they had the time, like, you know, over there. See it, Dad? I wish they had the time right there. So yeah, guys, that's about it. And we will get out the snacks. Let's see. Where are, oh, they're all in there. Okay, so yeah. Bye, guys. Bye. I hope if you guys ever go on an airplane, it's not scary. Well, for me, of course, it's not, because I love heights. I've never been afraid of them. But for most people, it might be a little bit hard for your first airplane flight. But it is really fun, and I love being on airplanes. It is so thrilling. Okay, bye everyone.